Pickup trucks are not just entering 2027, they are rolling into a full-blown street fight. This year is bigger than fresh headlights, giant screens, or tiny horsepower bumps. We are talking affordable EV pickups, returning muscle trucks, heavy-duty torque monsters, mid-size comeback stories, and possible price wars that could force Ford, Chevy, Toyota, and Ram to rethink everything. Some models are confirmed, some are still rumored, but each one reveals where the truck market is heading next. More power, more technology, more pressure, and more surprises. Strap in, feel the power. Welcome to Torque Tribune, where every turn fuels your passion for motoring. So here are the 6 2027 pickup trucks that could put Ford, Chevy, Toyota, and Ram on notice. Number 6. Ram's 777 horsepower muscle truck returns. We start with the loudest, wildest machine on the list, because before we talk about affordability, efficiency, or practicality, 2027 may still have room for one thing truck enthusiasts never stopped loving: raw V8 chaos. The Ram 1500 TRX SRT launches this list with pure muscle. Powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, it is rumored to deliver 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque, turning a full-size pickup into a 4-door performance monster. But its impact goes beyond speed. In an industry moving toward hybrids, smaller turbo engines, and EVs, Ram is reminding buyers that V8 drama still matters. With aggressive styling, serious off-road hardware, bold presence, and a tech-packed cabin, this truck is not practical or efficient. It is expensive, loud, thirsty, and excessive, and that is exactly why enthusiasts may see it as 2027's adrenaline king in a market chasing quiet efficiency today. But while Ram chases thunder, the next truck proves disruption does not need 777 horsepower. Number 5. Slate's budget EV pickup changes the game. The Slate truck flips the 2027 pickup conversation toward affordability. Instead of chasing expensive luxury EV buyers, Slate starts at $24,950 with about 205 miles of range, rear-wheel drive, a simple 2-seat cabin, and a build-it-your-way approach. Buyers can begin with the basics, then add wraps, storage, audio upgrades, accessories, and conversion-style parts as needed. That makes it appealing for young drivers, small businesses, urban users, delivery work, and anyone wanting truck utility without a massive payment. Its range and towing limits will not satisfy everyone, but Slate is not trying to beat full-size trucks. It is trying to make electric pickup ownership simple, useful, and affordable for more buyers. Still, not every buyer wants EV simplicity. Some need pulling power, commercial durability, and torque that makes smaller pickups sweat. Number 4. Ford Super Duty becomes the ultimate workhorse. The Ford Super Duty brings serious heavy-duty muscle to 2027, built for drivers who rely on trucks for work, towing, and business. Properly equipped, current models can tow up to 40,000 pounds, while the 6.7-liter high-output Powerstroke diesel delivers 500 horsepower and a massive 1,200 pound-feet of torque. For 2027, Ford may simplify the lineup around proven engines like the 7.3-liter Godzilla Gas V8 and high-output diesel, giving buyers clearer choices and stronger capability. It may lack the TRX's flash or Slate's affordability, but for contractors, haulers, farmers, and commercial users, the Super Duty could be 2027's most important work truck. With heavy-duty torque covered, let's downshift briefly before comeback names, major rumors, and price war twists raise the 2027 stakes higher. Before we rev up the next segment, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support helps Torque Tribune bring more high-octane vehicle updates, truck breakdowns, and horsepower-fueled stories to enthusiasts like you. Now, let's crank up the power and dive into the next major move. Number 3. Ram Dakota re-enters the midsize Brawl. The Ram Dakota comeback could be a major 2027 midsize disruptor. For years, Ram sat out while Tacoma, Ranger, Colorado, Canyon, Frontier, and Gladiator fought for buyers, leaving a clear lineup gap. Expected to return with 2027 production and pricing near $40,000, the Dakota arrives as mid-size trucks become family vehicles, trail machines, commuters, and workhorses. Its opportunity is the practical middle ground, easier to park and fuel than a full-size truck, yet capable enough for towing, weekend gear, dirt roads, and daily duty. If Ram delivers strong torque, ride quality, cabin tech, and smart pricing, Dakota could quickly reconnect with younger buyers and mid-size truck fans in 2027. But Ram is not alone. One Ford engine rumor already has loyal half-ton fans debating before the truck even arrives. Number 2. Ford's big V8 rumor shakes the F-150 war. The Ford F-150 remains the benchmark full-size pickup, so even rumors about its engine lineup can shake the market. The biggest buzz centers on whether Ford could bring a larger V8 into the F-150, especially with the 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 already proven in Super Duty trucks. Ford has not confirmed this, but the rumor shows buyers still value naturally aspirated response, old-school sound, and torque before turbos wake up. Today's F-150 offers a 5.0-liter V8, while towing strength often comes from the 3.5-liter EcoBoost. If Ford adds bigger displacement, it could pressure GM, Ram, and Toyota, proving emotion still matters in pickups, especially among loyal half-ton drivers in 2027 again. Still, a bigger V8 may not shake 2027 most, because price can move buyers faster than horsepower, towing, or nostalgia. Number 1. Ford's affordable EV pickup could start a price war. Ford's affordable electric pickup project earns the top spot because it could trigger 2027's biggest price shock. While early claims of a sub-$20,000 Ford truck grabbed attention, the more realistic target is an affordable EV lineup starting in 2027, including a mid-size pickup around $30,000. That price would matter in a market where many trucks climb far beyond average new vehicle costs once four-wheel drive, crew cabs, towing packages, and higher trims are added. The Ranchero name is not confirmed, but the strategy is clear. Build a practical, efficient, attainable pickup with useful space, cargo flexibility, decent range, and Ford's dealer support. That's the real 2027 pickup story. Victory may go to the brand that understands what truck buyers truly need next. Verdict: 2027 could redraw the pickup battlefield. The real story is not that one truck wins everything, it is that 2027 could pull the pickup market in every direction at once. Ram is bringing V8 emotion back. Ford is defending heavy-duty dominance. Dakota is returning to the mid-size fight. Slate is making EV trucks simpler and cheaper. And Ford's affordable pickup project could force a major pricing reset. So here are the big questions. Which 2027 pickup would you actually want in your driveway? The muscle truck, the workhorse, the mid-size comeback, or the affordable EV? And do you think buyers still care more about V8 power, or are price and efficiency now the real battleground? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experiences or opinions. Your insights might just help other auto enthusiasts make their next big decision. If you're all about staying ahead in the world of vehicles, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Torque Tribune community for the latest updates, reviews, and upcoming vehicle breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The 2027 pickup battle is just one of many exciting stories reshaping the automotive landscape. Click one of the videos on your screen now and discover what could be your next favorite vehicle, right here on Torque Tribune.